So start building your foundation, knowing where to put your energy. Build a company that has a purpose, that has a drive. Take that love that you have. Maybe you don't have the time that you have that you thought you were going to have. Maybe you don't have the money you thought you were going to have. Well, turn to someone that can help you create what's called money management and time schedules so that you don't lose that. Because when you encroach on your personal time, when you encroach in your personal money and you don't have them two things working for you, they're working against you, it just makes people want to close their doors left and right. And know that you're in the business to make profit. So therefore, how do you do that? Work with someone that can help you. If you can't do it yourself, and I've found in my experience, uh, owners need a nudge. And that's what people like me do day in and day out. We nudge them. We nudge them in the right direction, building a foundation they can stand on for the test of time. But that's what's going to keep the love that they can still do what they want to do. They don't have to sit in a boardroom. They don't have to sit behind a desk all the time. They got to go out and meet their clients. They got to go out and meet their employees. They got to go out and meet their subs. They got to go for lunch. They got to go tote up their business. They got to go to networking events. As you can see, I'm talking faster because like all the benefits when you have everything in place makes all the stuff you went into it for possible.